Assalamualaikum guys, respected audience. As you know everyone, my name is Sajid Munir. I belong to Lahore, Pakistan. I have done Masters in Electrical Engineering and have over around 12 years professional experience in Pakistan as well as in international countries in power sector at different national and international groups. Today I am here to let you know about AutoCAD electrical training course, which is one of the best and most utilizing software across world. Here you can see this is the brochure, this is the leaflet of this training course. So basically I am the co-founder for this course in Pakistan, and first time started this course in 2007 at Pitag Lahore, which is one of the leading government sector institute that is located at Firozpur Road, Lahore. Maybe you persons are know it very well. Since that time I have around trained 2500 students at different platforms who are currently working on leading positions at Pakistan and internationally. Besides that, I have done and doing still trainings programs at Pitag, TouchDeck, PCSIR, Energy Center, SkillMax Training Solutions. So even let me share you. Here you can see. Right now I am offering this course at UMT, University of Management and Technology, Lahore. This is the online link. This is the complete training details, AutoCAD electrical. This is the introduction, session outcomes, okay, and this is the detail about myself. This is the training duration, the certificate fees, the sessions. And in the same time I've offered some training courses at TouchDeck, that is located at Lahore. That is also government technical training institutes. So here you can see all the details are displayed on this page. And I've also offered my training programs at Pitag. This is my first station when I started this training course. So I've trained, I worked here around 7 to 8 years. So this is the link for this training course, and you can see the details. And this is my Facebook page, SkillMax Training Solutions. Here you can see that different sessions with different pictures and updates are available. I'm not offering only this AutoCAD training course. Beside that there are some more courses. This is the picture you can see. This was the training session on power system design and applications, and this was the training session on type tested switchgear, and this is training course for the substation operation and maintenance. So different courses I am offering at different platforms. So there is also yes, I am also offering this training course at Energy Training Courses Center. Here you can see this is AutoCAD electrical evening courses, and this is the fees, and this is my profile introduction. So this was the overall detail which I have shared. So after doing this training face to face, now I've taken this initiative to offer this course at free of cost online at YouTube, so that everyone can access it from anywhere in the world and maximum people may have beneficial. This is also help a lot of my former students to recall and revise all their exercises in smooth way. So I will strongly recommend to watch my all videos for perfect learning, and I will guarantee that no other one can complete this training level that how I will cover. So this is my online YouTube channel, so SkillMax Training Solutions. So you can subscribe, and of course you will receive automatically intimation whenever I will upload my videos. So okay, let me come back to the training course brochure. So here you can see this is the introduction. So let me zoom in. This training course is designed for the users who intend to learn AutoCAD electrical from scratch, or who require additional skills to draw electrical and control diagram in professional way. So it incorporates the latest features, commands and techniques for becoming more productive and efficient when creating, modifying and printing drawings. So guys, this is the perfect training course if you are seeking your career as an electrical engineer, as a design engineer. So I will strongly recommend for the BSc, for the BTech, DAE, TTC engineers to apply and attend this fast track training courses. So after that, this is the course outline, that what exactly we will cover: detailed introduction and working with AutoCAD electrical commands, working with the draw, edit, modify, dimensions, place commands. I will give you a brief overview and working with attributes and data extractions, working with the Express tool and advanced features we will cover. I will explain IEC, BS, ANSI based standard symbols. So we will see that how to place IEC based legend and attach them to AutoCAD default library. We will see some case studies, project specification requirement, and draw accordingly SLDs for the HT or LT schematics. So we will see that what is the difference between wiring, control diagram and turning plans in multiple way, and I will give detailed presentation of switchgear devices, switchgear panels and electrical diagrams. So this after that there is introduction for myself, that is already I have given to you, and then there is course duration. Normally in the face-to-face classes it is based on the 4 weeks weekend classes, Saturday and Sunday, and from morning 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. The training pattern in the face-to-face, of course, it is based on the lectures, presentation and hands-on exercise. So normally each student must have their own laptop with installation of AutoCAD. So the course fees, it was offering 20,000 rupees for the first participant, and of course discounts are there for the group and females. Then there is my contact number, my email there, my WhatsApp and cell number there, my Facebook page, my YouTube is there, and let me share you what some of the few sessions which I've already finished. So these are the students. Maybe you are in one of the picture, or maybe you know someone who is sitting there, who you are right now visible in the snaps. So this is I mean one group, this is group number 2, so 3, this is number 4. So I remember that around 50 to 60% people are migrated to different countries, and even in Middle East and in Europe, Canada, USA and Germany. So even I have good contact with some of them. Okay guys, so this was the overall introduction. So I will strongly recommend to watch these videos from startup to finishing, and do your exercise. And if you have any questions, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number, as well as on the email ID, and even on the YouTube page, the comments page are there. You can share your comments, and I will exactly respond to you according to your queries. So take care, and we will meet in the next lectures. Thank you. Bye bye.